Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about how to use a data room to secure your next round of funding. For startups and growing businesses, a data room is an essential tool for attracting investors and closing deals. A well-organized and informative data room can make a great impression on investors and increase your chances of success in raising money. Let's go. What to include in your data room? When creating a data room for investors, you should include all of the information that investors would need to make informed investment decisions. This may include financial information like income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, business plan, product or service roadmap, team bias, market research, customer testimonials, legal documents like article of incorporation, bylaws, contracts. Then, how to organize your data room? It's important to organize your data room in a logical way so that investors can easily find the information they need. Here are a few tips. Create folders and subfolders to group related documents together. Use clear and concise labels for your folders and subfolders. Include a table of contents to help investors navigate your data room. Use a search function so that investors can quickly find the information they are looking for. How to make your data room easy to use for investors. In addition to organizing your data room, there are a few other things you can do to make it easy to use for investors. Use a user friendly video platform. Make sure your documents are easy to read and download. Provide investors with access to your data room 24 by 7. Be responsive to any questions or requests from investors. Tips for using your data room to attract investors and close deals. Update your data room regularly. As your business grows and changes, be sure to update your data room with new information. This will show investors that you are committed to your business and that you are making progress. Use your data room to tell a story. Your data room should tell the story of your business and why it is a good investment opportunity. Highlight your company's strengths, opportunities, and unique value proposition. Be transparent with investors. Investors appreciate transparency. Be honest and upfront about your company's strengths and weaknesses. Don't try to hide anything from investors. Use your data room to communicate with investors. You can use your data room to share news and announcements with investors, to answer their questions, and to get feedback from them. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can use a data room to secure your next round of funding. A well organized and informative data room can make a great impression on investors and increase your chances of success. Here are some additional tips for using a data room to secure your next round of funding. Start preparing your data room early. It takes time to gather and organize all of the necessary documents for your data room. Don't wait until the last minute to start preparing your data room. Get feedback from others. Once you have a draft on your data room, ask trusted advisors to review it and provide feedback. This will help you to identify any areas that need improvements. That's it. Hope you have understand this topic. Thank you very much everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.